Blake Lively is facing a new lawsuit amid her and Justin Baldoni's ongoing It Ends With Us legal drama. Jed Wallace and his crisis mitigation firm, Street Relations, Inc., filed a defamation suit against the actress in Texas federal court on Tuesday. Lively named Wallace and his company as respondents in her initial California Civil Rights Department complaint in December. Her lawyers claimed in that complaint that Wallace was retained as a subcontractor by Baldoni's crisis PR firm, the agency Group PR, and allegedly, quote, weaponized a digital army around the country, from New York to Los Angeles, to create, seed, and promote content that appeared to be authentic on social media platforms and internet chat forums. Lively's lawyers went on to allege that the, quote, Baldoni Wayfarer team would then feed pieces of this manufactured content to unwitting reporters, making content go viral in order to influence public opinion and thereby cause an organic pile-on. But in Wallace's new lawsuit, which was obtained by Access Hollywood, his lawyers allege that Lively's CRD complaint, quote, falsely stated that they had engaged in 10 illegal acts under state and federal law. His legal team wrote in the complaint, neither Wallace nor Street had anything to do with the alleged sexual harassment, retaliation, failure to investigate, or aiding and abetting the alleged harassment or alleged retaliation. They allege that these statements, quote, are false, defamatory, made with either negligence or actual malice, and have caused millions of dollars in reputational harm, including emotional harm, actual damages, and real and projected loss of business. According to The Hollywood Reporter, Wallace and Street Relations are seeking at least $7 million, as well as a declaratory judgment, stating he didn't engage in retaliation or harassment against Lively. The lawsuit comes weeks after Lively filed a petition to depose Wallace, per online court records, though she withdrew that petition on Tuesday, the same day as his lawsuit. Access Hollywood has reached out to Lively's legal team for comment regarding the new lawsuit. They shared in a statement to multiple outlets. Another day, another state, another 9-figure lawsuit seeking to sue Miss Lively into oblivion for speaking out against sexual harassment and retaliation. This is not just a publicity stunt. It is transparent retaliation in response to allegations contained within a sexual harassment and retaliation complaint that Ms. Lively filed with the California Civil Rights Department. While this lawsuit will be dismissed, we are pleased that Mr. Wallace has finally emerged from the shadows, and that he too will be held accountable in federal court. Meanwhile, one of Wallace's attorneys, Chip Babcock, shared in part in a statement to multiple outlets. Mr. Wallace, who is a very private person, has never met or spoken to Ms. Lively, ever. He has not engaged in a smear campaign against her at any point in time. The decision to file this lawsuit to rightfully protect himself and his family was made after Ms. Lively not only filed against him first in Texas, but indicated that she intended to name him in yet another lawsuit. This lawsuit marks the latest turn in the ongoing legal battle surrounding Lively and her It Ends With Us co-star and director Justin Baldoni. Blake is suing Baldoni for sexual harassment and retaliation, claims he denies. Baldoni then sued Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds for claims including civil extortion and defamation, claims they also deny.